In this lesson, we're going to be learning about generating a volume report in Civil 3D. Let's get started. In this exercise, you'll use the Earthworks criteria to generate a quantity takeoff report. This exercise continues from creating a material list. So let's start by generating a volume report. Go ahead and open up your Earthworks-2 drawing in your tutorials folder. Now when you do that, you'll notice that we have 3 different viewports. Go ahead and click on your Analyze tab. Then, within the Volumes and Materials panel, click Volume Report. In the Report Quantities dialog box, specify the following parameters. We'll keep the alignment at its default, as well as the sample line group. We'll also keep the material list at its default. Now this list is the list you created in the Creating a Material List lesson by calculating volume quantities for the sample line group using the Earthworks criteria. So now we're going to select a style sheet. Go ahead and select the folder and select Earthwork. Click Open. Now make sure that the Display XML Report checkbox is checked. Click OK. The volume report is now displayed. The cut volume is the area of material in cut multiplied by the cut factor defined in the quantity takeoff criteria. The fill volume is the area of fill material multiplied by the fill factor. The areas for each material are averaged between stations and multiplied by the station difference to produce the incremental volumes. These volumes are added from station to station to produce the cumulative volumes. Finally, the cumulative net volume value at each station is calculated as the cumulative reusable volume value minus the cumulative fill volume value. So that's how you go about generating a volume report in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3D Training.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.